Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Getting Started with tkinter in Python 3. Introduction. Tkinter is a powerful and widely used library for creating graphical user interfaces, GUIs, in Python. It provides a simple way to create windows, dialogs, buttons, and other GUI elements, making it an excellent choice for developing desktop applications. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of tkinter and demonstrate how to create a simple GUI application using Python 3. Step 1. Installing tkinter, if not already installed. Tkinter is included with most Python installations, so you likely won't need to install it separately. However, if you encounter any issues, you can install it using the following command. Step 2. Importing tkinter. To use tkinter in your Python script, you need to import it. Conventionally, it is imported with the alias tk. Open your Python script and add the following line at the beginning. Step 3. Creating a simple window. Now, let's create a basic tkinter window. Add the following code to your script. Save your script and run it. You should see a window titled My tkinter Application with dimensions 400 x 300. Step 4. Adding widgets. Tkinter provides various widgets like buttons, labels, entry fields, etc. Let's add a label and a button to our window. This script adds a label and a button to the window. When you click the button, the on_button_click function is called, updating the label's text. Conclusion. You've now created a simple tkinter application with Python 3. Tkinter provides a vast range of options for building more complex GUIs, and this tutorial serves as a starting point for your exploration of this powerful library. Feel free to experiment with different widgets and configurations to enhance your GUI application. ChatGPT.